Ever found yourself in that frustrating loop of phone calls and back-and-forth messages just to schedule a simple appointment? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, time is precious, and nobody wants to waste it playing phone tag. That's where online booking tools come in, and one of the most user-friendly out there is Setmore. Think about it. Whether you're trying to book a haircut, a massage, a therapy session, or even a consultation with a business coach, the process should be seamless and stress-free. You should be able to see available slots, choose the one that works best for you, and confirm your appointment in a matter of clicks. Setmore makes this a reality for countless businesses and their clients worldwide. But maybe you're new to the world of online booking, or perhaps you've encountered systems that were more confusing than helpful. That's perfectly all right. Today, we're going to demystify the process and show you exactly how to book an appointment using Setmore. Whether you've been sent a direct booking link or you've found a business using Setmore's online portal, we'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can secure your desired time slot with ease. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand why businesses choose Setmore. It's not just about convenience for you, the client. For businesses, Setmore offers a streamlined way to manage their schedules, reduce no-shows with automated reminders, and ultimately provide a better customer experience. This often translates to a more organized and efficient service for you. So, are you ready to ditch the scheduling headaches and embrace the simplicity of online booking? Let's get started. The first scenario you might encounter is receiving a direct booking link from the business. This is often sent via email, text message, or even embedded on their social media pages. If you've received a link like this, congratulations, you're already halfway there. Simply click on the link, and it will take you directly to the business's Setmore booking page. Once you're on the page, you'll likely see the business's name and logo at the top, confirming you're in the right place. Below that, you'll usually find a list of services offered. Take a moment to browse through these and select the specific service you're interested in booking. For example, if you're at a hair salon's page, you might see options like haircut, coloring, or styling. Click on the service you need. After selecting a service, the next step is to choose a staff member. If the business has multiple service providers, you might see photos and brief bios to help you decide. If you don't have a preference, you can often select any available staff option. Now comes the crucial part: selecting your preferred date and time. You'll typically see a calendar view where available days are clearly marked. Click on the day you'd like your appointment. Once you've selected a day, you'll see the available time slots for that day. These are usually displayed in a clear and easy-to-read format. Simply click on the time that works best for your schedule. Once you've chosen your service, staff member, if applicable, date, and time, you'll be prompted to enter your contact information. This usually includes your name, email address, and phone number. Double-check that you've entered this information correctly, as this is how the business will confirm your appointment and send you any necessary reminders. Depending on the business's settings, you might also see a section for adding any notes or special requests. For example, if you have a specific concern you'd like to discuss during your appointment, you can enter it here. Before finalizing your booking, you'll likely have a chance to review all the details: the service you've selected, the date and time, and your contact information. Take a moment to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, you'll see a Book Now or Confirm Appointment button. Click this button, and voila, your appointment is booked. You should receive a confirmation email or text message shortly, containing the details of your appointment. Some businesses may also allow you to add the appointment directly to your calendar. Now, what if you don't have a direct booking link? No problem at all. Many businesses that use Setmore will have a Book Now button on their website or social media profiles. Clicking this button will typically take you to their general Setmore booking page, where you can then follow the same steps we just outlined. Select a service, choose a staff member, if applicable, pick a date and time, and enter your contact information. Another way you might encounter Setmore is through a business directory or marketplace that integrates with the platform. In these cases, you can usually search for the business you're interested in and then find a book appointment option on their listing. Regardless of how you access the Setmore booking page, the process is generally consistent and intuitive. The key is to take your time, Read each step carefully and double-check your information before confirming. One of the great features of Setmore is that it often allows you to manage your appointments online. In your confirmation email or on the booking page, you might find options to reschedule or cancel your appointment if needed. This gives you even more flexibility and control over your schedule. However, it's always a good idea to check the business's cancellation policy to be aware of any potential fees or deadlines. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to booking appointments using Setmore. As you can see, the process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, saving you time and hassle. The next time you need to schedule an appointment with a business that uses Setmore, you'll be well-equipped to navigate the system with confidence. Embrace the convenience of online booking and say goodbye to those frustrating scheduling struggles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.